Most people trying to build an online income hit the same wall, and they don't even realize it. Let me show you a simple little diagram that finally fixes it. The real problem isn't skill. It isn't motivation. It's the messy, confusing process everyone is told to follow. Too many tools, too many steps, too much noise that drains your energy before you ever see results. When you strip away the chaos, the whole journey is really just 3 steps. Step 1, learn the basic. Step 2, apply it the right way. This is the step where almost everyone struggles. Step 3, get the result you're actually chasing. This messy middle step is where people lose time, money, and motivation. But here's the shortcut nobody talks about. Nano Banana AI expertise takes this entire ugly chunk and turns it into a simple, fast action. You also get extra tools that remove the guesswork. Not fluff, real shortcuts that help you move faster and avoid mistakes. Bonus 1 helps you finish tasks in a fraction of the time. Bonus 2 keeps you from falling into the usual traps that slow people down. Bonus 3 saves you money and energy by giving you ready-to-use resources. These aren't add-ons, they're accelerators. So here's your new path forward. Skip the messy struggle. Follow the simple plan. Use the shortcut that makes everything smoother. It works, and it works fast. The link is below. Check it out before the bonuses disappear.